What is galactosemia? It is a rare disorder, okay, in which the GALT enzyme that is being reduced in the body, due to which what happens? GALT is responsible for converting the galactose to glucose. Yes, galactose to glucose is being converted with the help of an enzyme that is GALT. Basically, it is galactose 1 phosphate uridyl transferase. This enzyme is responsible for converting galactose to glucose. So, if this GALT will be reduced in your body, then what will happen? That means that galactose, which is being converted into glucose, that won't be able to take place properly. If the galactose won't get digested properly or metabolized properly into glucose, that means the child will have several various disorders or symptoms. What are those symptoms? The symptoms are diarrhea. The baby will be having diarrhea, vomiting, failure to thrive, and developmental disorder or developmental delays, also, you can say. So that means the baby won't be able to digest the dairy products. From all the dairy products, the baby will be having allergy, or the baby will be allergic to all kinds of dairy products, because it won't be able to digest those galactose, because it's not getting converted into glucose. Why? Because GALT enzyme is reduced in the body. Yes, it's a rare genetic disorder. So, these are the signs and symptoms which will happen with the child. The main advice, the medical advice that is being given to the parents, that is, it is an absolute contraindication for breastfeeding. Galactosemia is an absolute contraindication for breastfeeding, because the child won't be able to digest the dairy products. Yes, so breastfeeding is completely contraindicated in this case among the babies. So, all kind of dairy products, let it be milk, let it be curd, let it be anything, even mother's milk, also completely prohibited in this case. The management is, first of all, avoid all kind of dairy products. Yes, all kind of dairy products should be avoided. It is an absolute contraindication for breastfeeding. Yes, the mother should not breastfeed her baby. Yes, what other things can be done? Formula, artificial formula, okay, or formula feeds can be provided to the child as a substitute feeding. Yes, for substitute feeding, absolutely, for your formula feeds can be provided. Many brands are available in the market that can be provided to the child. Yes, special monitoring should be done to check the developmental delays of the child. Since the baby is not getting mother's milk, so baby is prone to many kind of infections. The baby will not be getting any kind of vitamins and minerals from the mother, since breastfeeding is not done. So developmental delay should be monitored. The baby should be checked for any kind of infections. Yes, regular means monitoring of the weight and height of the baby should be done properly.